minutes. Oh, good luck with that gunkiness. Okay, so we have a switch here. Okay, how do you? Oh, can you see? Oh, lovely, lovely little switch. Okay, let's pull that switch out and test it. Do you remember the? Oh, probably you don't, but I do. The steam generator that I fixed with one of these. This one is good. Sounds perfectly fine. Okay, so I'll just leave it here. What is inside? Ah, this is awful. This is absolutely awful. Never mind. It's a little spring. That's where it came from. Okay, let's see now what we got now. Got two cables. One is coming, is going through here, then through here, is going there, it goes through the coil, it goes on this side, and then here. So if you measure from here to there, you should see the correct resistance. How much is it? 17.8 ohms. Anything on the stator? Nothing. And from here, anything on the stator? Nothing. What is the? I don't know what is the value here. What value do we looking for? Are we looking for? Now, Makita. Makita stator coil value. What is the value on a stator motor? Do you know? Write me down in the comments. I don't know. When I repair something second time, I will know, but what is the value? Never mind, let's check the other one. One on top and one on the bottom. Right. Where are you? Right there. Right Okay, let's check the inside. Nothing. That's good. How I can do that? But this will definitely work with me the next time. .6. Give me a second, I'll try to find, because 0.6 is very low. Give me a second, I think it's the right side is blown up or something. Give me a second. Okay, I think around 16 is the right value. I couldn't find nothing. Let's see how I can remove that brush. Let's see, a big screwdriver maybe, something similar. Big screwdriver is okay. Okay, came in 2 pieces, no problem. Okay, now let's see how and what is the best way to remove the gunk out of here and remove the stator winding. It's being pressed in, I think. Now we can take it out. Maybe if we give it a tap. That should come out. There we go, it will come out. That's it. Oh. Okay, so I think the plastic where is this thing going? This is awful. It is absolutely awful. Why did I start to do that? Never mind. Now I can't remove. Oh, Nick. Well, the channel after all is me fixing everything, so I don't need to fix it. Even if I can't fix it. Okay, let's see where my nose pliers are. When everything is hopeless, like absolutely hopeless, that's when it goes for parts, but now it's too late, too early to go for parts. Ooh. Ah, no, you don't want this thing to happen. Put it back in. Oh, okay. Maybe that's the problem, I don't know. We'll see in a second. Okay. Well, this thing came loose anyway, so let's see now. Okay. Now, this thing came loose. Let's see now. Nothing. Is that nothing? No, that's absolutely nothing. And now here, I think we need to take a bit of the insulation. Okay. Let's see now. Also nothing. What's going on here? Did I do something wrong? No, I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, well, what I'm gonna do, I'll take this one and blow it with compressed air so I can clean it up a little bit, and I'll come back in a second. Okay, so I cleaned up the stator, and I saw that usually the stator winding, the stator itself, it's very easy to troubleshoot. You just measure between here and here, here and there, and you need to have the same reading on the side, and you measure from one side to the body, other side to the body, you should not have a reading, and that's it. Not with a electric source. With electric source, it turns out they have a different wiring diagram, and they have a winding, the power winding, and they have a braking winding as well. So they have different readings, and I was thinking I have a different reading because of the bad stator, but it turns out that's how it's supposed to be. Now I have a piece of wire here that's just hanging. I probably broke it when I pulled out the stator, so I'll take iron and I'll just put it back to place. But I'm not gonna film that because the video will become 3 hours long. So I'll stop the video, solder that piece over there, and we'll start again. I just finished soldering the cable. Definitely it's not fitting perfectly back to place, but I think it will be good enough. So let's see now. I don't know how I'm gonna wire it back in, because I was thinking it's the same, because it's usually very easy to wire up normal stators, but it turns out with electrical cells it's not that easy. 16 2.3. Now let's see, I'll go and clean that up because it's looking nasty, so I'll give that a clean and we'll see how we're gonna assemble it back. I might watch the video. Okay, so I just cleaned all that mess on the inside. How I'm gonna manage to put it back together, I don't know. Even the idea, it scares me a bit. Let's put that spring back. Okay, spring is back. What do we got? The button got one common. Let's see now. Where is that winding? There we go, we had one yellow. Maybe, just maybe, it's gonna be a really good idea if I clean up everything before I put it back. Okay, I'll clean up everything here. I'll watch the video and I'll try to put it back. People often ask me, Nick, why are you making all these videos? Well, how are you supposed to put it back together if you don't know where the wires go? So, that's the Makita logo. That's the orientation. The numbers are on the other side. So, here are the numbers. The thin wire, it's on the yellow and on the white on one side. We have the black on the top and the other white right there that goes to the brush. Let's try to pull everything down and try to take it back in place. Just pull the wires back. Okay, all the way in. I think that's all the way in. So we have the black going to whatever it was going. Don't remember really. Yeah, it was going through here. Something like this. Have the orange. This was going to the handle, to the trigger. The black was going to that little button. Okay. The yellow was somewhere here. I'll watch the video. That's why you need a video for everything. Just video yourself. How I learned. I watched the Russian people. Russian people know a lot. Russian people know a lot, and they said that one of the tools that have a different configuration, it's the electric chainsaw. What I did, two people marked the brushes, so they knew which size go where. I can't know. I'm not gonna know. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll take what I'm gonna do now. I'll put the rotor back in, but I'll go first and just blow some air through it. And now we'll take some sandpaper and just give this thing a go with the sandpaper, and then we'll put it back together. Okay, I cleaned up this brush is really nice. Anti-and not brush, bearing. So nice. This one is a bit loud. SKF. So anti-and bearing is better than SKF. Okay, let's put this one back in. Is it cleaned? No, not really. If we take this and just I just checked something. Heard someone coming, but it isn't actually. Okay, now, do you remember what it had on top? Is it the, oh yeah. Oh, that's awful. I need to clean everything. Absolutely everything to get to that thing. Never mind. Okay, let's put the brush back in. No, not this one. Not this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah, maybe, just maybe. Should I try to super glue these, or just? I'll just put it back in. If someone managed to do it like this, I think I'll manage to do it like this as well. Or I'm not. What do you need to do? There you go, now I know. You don't need to glue them back in. That's so strange. No problem, no problem. What do you need, a handle? Do you think? Oof. I think this thing needs a new spring, but never mind. Okay, maybe I can just press it like this. I think I can, yeah. Now, this thing also needs to go to that front part. Now, this will. Okay. And we have this awful mechanism. I can just I'll clean this and I'll put the bearing, and I'm not gonna have any other things around. I just want to test the tool like this, if it works. If not, I'll have to dismantle it anyway, so I'll clean this part on the compressor. Okay, so I cleaned up that part. I have no idea which thing is going where, but I don't need to have, because I have a video. Oh, it's a lot easier. Where these bolts came from? Oh, never mind. Okay, so I have this part. 4 long bolts we need. 4 long bolts. 4. Oh no, no. No, the stator, it's connected via these 2 long bolts. That's not any good, is it? Okay, one is in. I think I can still screw them. Yes, I can. One. Oh, these are wrong. Two. Now this. Here. And yes, 4 screws. 4 screws that are absolutely the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is a few more, but that's the type we need, I'm pretty sure. Let's just check. Yeah. And now is the moment I need my electric screwdriver. If it doesn't work with that winding, that I think it had the cable, but even if the cable is bad, it shouldn't be a problem, because that's a safety feature. I don't know. Unfortunately, some people may say, Nick, why are you losing your time? Because I'm interested in that. What I'm supposed to do Saturday? Go to work. I've been to work for long enough. Some people go and play football on the Saturday. I don't want to go and play football. I prefer to. It's like a hobby, you know. Not making any money out of it. I might make some money the next time when I know what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. There will be 220 volts here, So maybe if we just put it like so. Okay. Yeah, don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Now I will watch the video and I'll connect this thing back in to see how it needs to be connected to be able to put it back together. Connected the cable and now the yellow one goes in here. I just make it tight. Okay, so now let's see, is it gonna work? I don't know if this button needs to be switched on or off, but we'll see now. Okay, the cable is in. Okay. Nothing's happening. Did I burn the fuse? Maybe. A big spark came from the socket. I'll just pull that thing out. Can you see? You think it's the button problem? Let's see, shouldn't have no problems on the button really. That's very interesting. Did I connect it wrong? Maybe. Why are these together? Is there any diagram? Four and five. I'm a bit confused. I'll see my video back again.